Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You open WhatsApp and get ready to record. First, confirm the app is updated and you've granted microphone permission so recording works. Once done, open the chat where you'll send the voice note and long press the microphone icon to begin a live take. If you use an external mic, connect it now and tap record briefly to verify audio levels. Doing these steps prevents permission errors and ensures clean audio before you commit to a full message. You'll control the recording by pressing and holding the mic, then optionally swiping up to lock hands-free recording so you can speak freely. Make sure to check the waveform or listen briefly after a test clip to confirm clarity. If you need to pause, stop, and re-record instead of sending low-quality audio. Also consider headphones with a built-in mic to reduce room noise and keep the phone steady and close to your mouth for consistent volume and intelligibility. You listen to the clip, and when satisfied, you tap send. If it's poor, delete and re-record immediately. To keep important messages, long press the message to star it or export the audio file from chat info. If you hit a problem like no audio, make sure microphone permission is enabled for WhatsApp, close and reopen the app, and reboot the phone if necessary. That usually clears permission or driver glitches. If it persists, try reinstalling WhatsApp or testing another recording app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.